So tomorrow is Cairo's birthday, and the day before I decided to do this really cool balloon kind of like arrangement. We did it for our anniversary. So hello, this is the before. You guys, it's done. Look at how pretty this is. We have happy birthday, Cairo. We have the unicorns here because Cairo loves unicorns, you guys. This looks amazing. I am so excited about tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am just filled with so much emotion. It just seems like Cairo, I gave birth to her. Oh my gosh, and time flies. It really does. I know that sounds so cliche, but time really does fly, you guys. I'm excited. I can't wait to see my family today. I can't wait for Cairo to enjoy her day. But you know what, you guys, enough about me. Let's get this day started. Cairo is turning 3. I'm about to wake Cairo up. She's sleeping in today. Sometimes what she does is she'll wake up early in the morning and she'll start singing. I really think she's gonna be a singer. So she's kind of sleeping in a little more than usual. So I am about to go in and wake her up right now. Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cairo. Happy birthday to you. Are you telling me to shh?
Today is gonna be a really good day. We're gonna celebrate my sister's birthday. We're gonna be going to a Mexican restaurant.
Yay!
Yes.
And then are you excited to see Grandpa and Grandma?
Wait, they're coming?
Yeah!
Oh yeah, yes.
And Uncle Taj.
Mhm.
Uncle Xavier can't come because he's not here, and then Auntie Tamara can't come because she's not here either.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yay!
Yay! Cairo's birthday breakfast Daddy made for her. Oh, what is that, Cairo? That's a grape. Yes, it's a grape. Daddy made some breakfast for Cairo. Breakfast for champions, right, Cairo? Yes, that is a grape.
Look at it.
Oh, wow. Hi.
Look at my foot.
Look at your foot. Let me see. Oh, wow, Cairo. You got your toes done. You got your toes done for your birthday? Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so pretty. Yay.
Look at my foot.
Okay, you guys, so I told you I will show you my dresses and my dress options. So this is the box that it came in, and this is one dress. This is another one. This is this really cute red dress with pink at the bottom, and then this white dress. So, oh my gosh, I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. So let's see. This is the dress that I decided to go with. I thought it was cute with my hair, and I thought it was cute for the occasion, and I chose these pink shoes to go with it, which is really cute. Let me just kind of pan down. It's really cute. I want to show you what I will be putting Cairo in today for her birthday. It is this really beautiful dress from Tutumon, and we have these tights, which are really cool. It has like nice little sparkles on them. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put her in these shoes, and you guys, you know what's really cute about these shoes? See, it sparkles too. So I thought it would be perfect for her birthday. Then, of course, it's her birthday today, so I'm gonna, put on this cute little tiara. Let's see if she'll wear it. it comes with wings, you guys. So she's gonna be a little like fairy today. So the theme is, you know, so the theme is like unicorns and fairies and all that kind of stuff. So I thought that this would be really cute for her birthday. Look at that. I can't wait to see her in it. So tell us what you got rocking.
So first we got my little fisherman hat.
Okay.
We got my shirt with these little buttons.
Okay.
And we got my gold chain lining up.
Your gold chain lining up. Okay.
Then we got some jeans on.
Okay.
Some shorts. Then we got some Vans.
Ooh, you
We'll
look.
be cruising in the sun.
You'll be cruising. You look amazing. Oh, and look who's coming out. The birthday girl. You look so pretty. Look at your shoes and your dress and your wings. Are you gonna put your wings on? Okay, so Corey looks nice. He got his shoes, his shorts. You look very handsome.
Cairo, I love you, Daddy. Love you, honey.
Oh my gosh, you look so pretty. Can I see your dress and your shoes? And these are your gifts. Hi guys. We have our shoes on. We have our nails done. We're eating our lollipop. We have on our tiara and our wings. You look so pretty. You're my little fairy. Hi, Grandpa. Do you want to say hi to Grandpa? Do you want to go say hi? Say hi to Grandpa.
I saw Princess. Oh my gosh, I love her shoes.
Say thank you. So we have to fix our wings.
Oh, your wings. Okay, okay.
Thank you, Daddy. What did you? Oh my gosh, Cairo, what is that? What is that? Oh my gosh, Daddy got Cairo a backpack.
For school.
For school. Look at that.
Look at it, baby. Hold it.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Give me a
Thank
kiss.
you. Give Daddy kisses. Okay, what else do we have, Cairo? What is this?
Dino?
A dino. So you guys, Cairo loves dinosaurs. Look at that, Cairo. That's a big dinosaur egg.
Whoa.
And then the dragon from Ryan the Last Dragon.
Love the dragon.
Wow, Cairo. Look at that. Cairo, come here. Can Mommy have kisses? Mommy have kisses. Give me kisses. Mommy have kisses. Oh, I love you, Cairo. I love you very much, Cairo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Look at all of these cool little details on there. We have the unicorn, and we have like, looks like it's like little shells. And it's a number 3. This is so pretty. Aww. Hey, we're gonna sing Cairo happy birthday. This is her cake. Okay, Cairo. Everybody on 3.
Everybody, we're singing.
Everybody, we're singing. Come on, guys. Mom, come on. Julie, come on.
She's already singing.
Huh?
Should we sit back there?
Yeah.
Happy.
Okay, Bert. Ready? On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cairo. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Go! One more! Cairo, are you eating your shell?
I'm eating myself.
You're eating your shell? Good job, boo-boo. We are on our way to Javier's, which is one of our favorite restaurants as a family. We love this place. It's like really nice Mexican food. So we are in the car and we are on our way.
And this is where, how you doing? This is where.
Okay, everybody's here. Hi, Tom. Okay, Mom, what did you just say?
He's taller than me.
Okay, wait, Cree, stand next to Grandma.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, he got you about like an inch.
I know. This is what I'm saying.
Oh my gosh. First up on the menu, chips and salsa. Mom, did you figure out what you wanted?
I think I'm gonna go with like a vegetable quesadilla.
Ooh. Nice. Dad, what are you going for?
Going with the man says
What is that?
a short rib.
Oh.
Mexican style short rib.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I want that.
Good.
I don't know what I want, you guys.
You all do your
Should I get that? Is that what you're saying?
So I was gonna do a speech, y'all, but my brother said, "Gee, I don't think that's necessary."
Carol, what are you doing?
Mommy, what is that?
This is a vegetarian quesadilla.
Enchilada.
Enchilada. Ooh, that looks good.
What did you get, Cree?
I got a shrimp enchilada with some rice and some chips.
Okay, go ahead. Show us your cheese pool, Cree. Ooh, yummy. Oh, wow. Woo! Oh my gosh. That what, Mom?
That look like a caveman bone piece of meat.
Guess what, Grandma?
That's all the Flintstones, too.
A Flintstones?
Hey, Mowry said this is what you're gonna get. And I
God, that looks so good, huh?
I didn't get that.
You didn't get that?
It's chili.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
That's straight
How
up.
are you, Daddy? Are you having a good
Bless,
time?
bless, yes, very good.
Yay!
That's make me want to grab it.
This smells, yes, this is potatoes. Roasted potatoes with some peppers, and then we have the shrimp tacos and the steak. And you guys, this is served on a cutting board. Beans with a chili.
It smells amazing.
Ooh, and then what did you get, Corey?
Chicken enchiladas. Mine look boring compared to yours.
Okay, Cairo, let's get your first gift. Cree, grab Cairo's gift so we can open up her presents.
Alright, what do you want? Which one do you want? It's yours.
Wow! Pull it out! What is that?
Open it.
What do you have? Wow! This is exactly what she likes. Look! Look! And they have a mirror.
Yeah.
Look, watch. Look! We have some more with some animals! Oh, the Black Wives just got her all of these Raya and the Last Dragon things. She watches Raya and the Last Dragon every day. Multiple times. Mom, do you remember we all watched that for the first time together? Huh? She's like so quiet. Day to you. Happy birthday, dear I've been starting to do this. I'm gonna ask you guys a question, and it is debate time. So I wanna see you guys debate in the comments below. My question to you is, which is better, vanilla or chocolate? I personally, I'm a vanilla lover. I absolutely love vanilla. My son, he loves chocolate. But I wanna know, which one do you guys like the best? And also throw in some other, flavors in there. There's like the confetti or the birthday cake flavor. So let me know. Give Cree good night kisses. Say good night. Aww, good night. Night night, Cairo. Cree, did you enjoy Cairo's birthday? What was your favorite part?
Well, when she was blowing candles
Yeah.
and the food.
And the food was really good too.
I'm free.
You're 3 years old, yay! You're about to go night-night. Did you have a good party? Yes! Yay! Say bye, quick fix.
Bye.
Say bye, quick fix.
Bye, big fish.
One more kiss. She's taken her bath, and as you know, she's had such a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. Don't forget to click the notification bell.
And the like button.
Huh?
And the like button.
Aw, and the like. Say it again.
And so hit that subscribe button if you want more awesome videos from Tia Mowry's Quick Fix.
Aw, thank you, Cree.
And I mean, smash that like button.
And Cree said, you heard him, smash that like button. Bye, guys.